Altro lì, chi questo fa il cielo, via nomo, e scopo tutta, vero via regno, vinci via volo, chi nel cielo, e anche
Bonjour, it's a great day for me to be in Paris, in this beautiful city of Paris with the Eiffel Tower and the French perfume around. My special thanks to 5 Plus Forum for inviting me to this place. Let me start by saying that, as you know, N.K. Goyal, I am President of CMAI Association of India. CMAI represents Integrated Association in India for all electronic, telecom, aviation, infrastructure, IT, healthcare, mobile, banking. We have a membership base of more than 8,500 and we represent the entire sector. We are very happy to be here in this 5 Plus Forum to talk about innovations for the next 5 years. I must say that the world today is changing. The way we used to live before is not the same now and will not be same in the future. The way we used to communicate will not be same in future. And the changes we are foreseeing is on so many fronts. First of all, when it comes to innovations, the way people live, like take the case of India, even the smallest things which change our life, a bicycle floating in the river, a small potter developing a fridge, and a 9 years old person who is Microsoft certified engineer. We have a machine developed by a local person which can absorb environmental radiations and carbon. These things are going on in a smaller way. And on the other side, the world is changing by way of internet, by way of television, by way of communications, by way of mobile. As you know now, a mobile is everything we can conceive of in this world. You can do video, you can do TV, you can use it as a calculator, as a camera, as a diary, whatnot. The way healthcare is now going on will change the way we have thought of this. The focus is not only on the healthcare for cure, but for prevention. The way we travel in the automobile is going to change in due course of time. When it comes to India, India is the largest market for all the new products coming up in the world. As we all know, India is the largest democratic country with a population of 1.2 billion people. And we have the youngest population in the world. We have our Prime Minister who is an economist. We have a lady president. We have Dr. Sam Pitroda, the world-known innovator. All this together has Government of India has come out with an innovative fund wherein they will have more than 100,000 innovators together and we are promoting them. I welcome all the innovators in the 5 Plus Forum to come to India for their market. Today I have announced Innovative Forum for India, and this forum will have people and contribution and corpus from government, from industries, from stakeholders, and this will act as a single window for all innovators for their marketing into India. Actually, when it comes to innovations in India, it is being done on several fronts. The one front I told you is for the ordinary people on the road, like the fridge, the small things, the bullock carts, the way people walk on the road, all those things. The other innovation is coming up in a very bigger way for the education sector and the health sector. Education is no more with a blackboard. Health is no more with a doctor physically present. With the help of mobile 3G technologies, health can be diagnosed sitting across thousands of miles apart. It can be cured, treatments can be given. Likewise, when it comes to service sector, then India is known for mobile innovations. The way people communicate, the way mobile operators operate in the world is something India has innovated. We have got the concept of the lowest tariff, the concept of highest profitable, the concept of lowest charge for a mobile. The way, another thing is the development of rural areas. Rural areas is the backbone of the country, and we have 600,000 villages. We are looking for innovations, how to increase the penetration of broadband there, how to integrate various schemes together, and there CMI is also playing a major role. We are looking for a pilot project in some of the villages which will integrate everything together: education, panchayat, health, banking, their job creation, the problem related to social things like drugs, addictions, employment, constructions, everything together. That's where the innovation is going nowadays. Actually, I must say, India with a population of 1.2 billion is a market from a penny to the millions of dollars of the product. When the world launched the highest HD TV, which was costing 10 million US dollars, we sold in Dubai around 20 pieces in one day. On the other side, India is the market which is very cost sensitive. We have today available a cell phone for as low as $20. We have announced for a tablet PC costing US $35, as is now known to the world. These PCs and these cell phones are changing the way people live in the villages, the people live on the street. So India market for both the sectors, smallest sector and the highest sector. Actually, it is where the role of 5+ Forum comes in. The way innovation is something which is not heard of today. It is the art of doing impossible. It is the art of dreaming something which we don't know, which we cannot imagine also. Who could have imagined a few years before a cell phone for around only $20? At that time, cell phone was costing more than $1,000. Who could have imagined in the world for a tariff of mobile communications in India which is 0.0001 cent? I mean, so much less than a cent per second. So likewise, today it looks the cost is not reachable, but it is definitely reachable, and people from India, people from Paris, innovators from the world, across the world will work for this, and we already have success for this. We are confident. Not only $35, when it is produced, the rates will further go down. So I think price considerations are now no more in the imagination of somebody. Who could have imagined a few years before a car costing $2,500? Nobody. It's now reality. It goes beyond doubt that because we have the largest market, so we are going to be the largest manufacturers also. Even today, we have a factory in India in a place called Chennai, which makes 100,000 cell phones per day. We are known world over for our IT superpower. We are known world over for our skills in terms of nuclear sciences, in terms of satellite sciences. And when it comes to manufacturing, no doubt India will emerge hub for manufacturing, and we are open. The beauty of India is we are open for technologies, for collaboration from anywhere in the world, and we will definitely reach the goals, no problem.